Welcome back to another episode of Nick
and Matt.
Welcome back to the vlog. I'm actually in Union Station right now in Toronto, and I have a couple appointments this morning and then some meetings for work in the afternoon, so I thought I would vlog today. And everyone's probably staring at me because I'm vlogging in public. So I just got off the GO train. I took it with Matt. He's at work. I'm gonna head to, I got a couple of self-care appointments. I have physio this morning that I'm trying out, and then I also have a massage that I'm very excited about. And then I have a couple of work stuff in the afternoon, so I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride today. They have like a full-on bathroom here, like with a shower. Just in case I forgot this morning. I'm gonna get changed. And massage complete. I feel like I just want to nap here. I was saying, good way to start a week, because now I feel all relaxed and like I'm ready to take on the world. Right, I'm gonna go get dressed. One more meeting, and then I'm going to meet my friend Candace, her friend Josh, or John, I mean, and Matt for lunch at Fresh. So I'm just getting ready real quick. I love this stuff. Some brows. They look even. Who else keeps their mouth like wide open when they're putting mascara on? I don't know why we do it. By the way, this is like one of the most underrated mascaras. Maybelline Falsy. It's so good. It like actually like flares out your eyelashes. Whoa. Alright, there you have it. 5-minute makeup look in the bathroom. Okay, I gotta chat with the ladies at the front before I go, and then I'm off for lunch. So I'm running late, so I'm just grabbing an Uber instead of taking TTC. And I'm gonna have to review today's video on the way in the Uber, because it's like full on working on the go today. So it's also really, really cold today. Are you a healthy eater?
Well, I try to be.
Yeah? You know, I think even though people like, you know, obviously junk food and eating out tastes good, I think deep down everyone wants to, you know,
of course. I mean,
eat better, feel better.
Medicine, right?
Yeah, exactly. Food is definitely medicine.
There's a book.
The cheapest kind of medicine.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's the most natural and logical kind of medicine, right?
Yeah.
There's a book I bought once several years ago. It's a Reader's Digest book, and the book is Eat Well, Stay Well.
Eat well, stay well.
Yeah, it's really good. It tells you the different food groups and what they do for your body.
They just updated the Canadian Food Guide.
Yeah, I had.
They did a lot of good changes.
Oh, do you think they're good changes?
I think so.
Okay, because
they're mixed
more plant food, right?
Yeah, but I do think people eat too much meat. I'm not vegetarian, but I think that people do eat too much meat. It's like every single meal is not complete unless there's meat in it.
Yeah.
And I think, you know, it's common sense. When you eat more vegetables and fruit and grains and beans and like real food, it's less processed, you know, because even meat, if you're not getting good quality meat, a lot of meat can be processed, you know, like sausages, hot dogs, salami. So I think that people should be eating less meat but better quality meat.
Okay.
You know, and you know what, it's cheaper to eat more veggies.
Is it?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Yeah, I like
Hi guys. Hi. I'm vlogging today. Hi. I'm gonna be obnoxious now. Are you gonna do hybrid?
No, exactly.
It's like you want to be healthy, but then you're like, give me the crispy, just on the side. I might get a small tiger bowl with that barley soup.
Like I live in Winnipeg 6 months a year, and
It's really good. It's enough, John. You're gonna order 12. That's enough.
Okay. What size?
Large, please.
Is there any other size?
Professional athlete. You have to order one of everything on the menu.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Those muscles don't feed themselves.
Thank you.
Soup, salad. Candace got the, what's this one? No.
Essential greens.
Essentials. Are you happy about your choice, Matt?
I feel like I saw yours come out and I'm like, it's like a kid's size.
I know, it is very small, but it's filling. There's a lot under there. There's a flavor in here that's very prominent. See this rosemary in here?
Bomb. I can be vegan.
What is that?
It's
Like a bean.
It's like protein bliss. It's got
Can
lots
you
of
take
like
a
good
sip?
stuff.
On camera?
Whipped cream on your
Are you 5?
Yeah,
That's
you're not
good.
wrong.
That's good. It looks like dragon fruit or something, but we're so bad. We're supposed to be at a meeting 11 minutes ago, and yeah, this is what happens when you are catching up with
At
friends.
least we're not showing up drunk.
When you have suede boots and you live in Canada.
Find yourself
Okay, John, I'll wait here for the next ride. Okay?
a bestie that'll save your shoes.
Yeah, we're so late.
Yes.
We're the worst people ever. Sorry, I'm so sorry we're late. Yes, I'm vlogging today. What? Yeah, you're on the vlog. You look so cute. I mean, you're already on the YouTube. The youngest YouTuber here.
Say hi, Kai.
This is Kristen. Sia, I'll link the channel down below. They do travel and baby stuff now. Hey! She's scared. She's like, what's going on? Okay, you guys actually both look really cute. So, say hi. This is Morgan. Hi. Stephanie. Hi. Morgan, your hair looks cuter and cuter every day. Like, I think is it starting to fade? Because it looks really cute though with the, it's like a, yeah. All right.
Gray, purple.
Okay, we're gonna talk about important things. Okay.
This girl caught my eye, said, how do you do? She said, I am not interested, thank you. Then she left the room. Bartender. I'll have the usual, give me the usual. I'll take the usual.
So we're stuck at Union right now. That's so busy.
Lots of delays.
It's like every single train is delayed right now. So if you don't like crowds. So we're just at my parents for dinner. My mom invited us over. The Union Station was insane. I've never seen it that bad. I didn't vlog it because I was about to have a panic attack. It was like the worst sardines in a can I've ever experienced. It was just like more and more people crowding in and like no one was moving. It was really bad. But anyways, we got out of it, we got on the train, and I'm so excited for dinner. What do we have? Mashed potatoes, pork roast. I'll eat anything right now. So I'm just like, yeah. That's a long commute. We have some roast, mashed potatoes. Yum. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Question
Thank you
of the day.
for watching.
Thank you. I don't know. I'm like so tired. I'm like ready to take a bath and go to bed. But what time is it? It feels so late. It's not even 9. It's so dark out.
I need just some bubbles. Bubbles in bubbles.
Question of the day today. What was the one that you said?
What's something you find stressful? 'Cause
Oh, yeah.
The commute was stressful.
Yeah, the commute was stressful. It was more so like, I'm okay with crowds, but when you can't move and it just is like getting worse and worse and worse.
Yeah.
And you're getting squished, like that to me is like anxiety inducing. So like what kind of situation stresses you guys out? Is it crowds? Is it I don't
traffic.
know. Traffic, yeah. It's kind of like
for sure.
yeah.
Ugh.
See, traffic, I don't like traffic, but I can put a podcast on and I'm okay. When I'm getting squished between people, I'm like, I need my bubble, you know, my personal space. I hate it. I'm like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So
True.
yeah, it was.
But in all
it was
fairness,
not
you
fun.
don't drive in traffic much. You're more riding in traffic.
Yeah, Instagramming.
On your Instagram while
my
I'm
mom's laughing.
sitting in it. So like it's stressful.
It's stressful. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys in next Friday's vlog.
See you in the next one.